Hello friends, you are most welcome to OGP Ready once again, and this is a growthable and internationally working YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you that how you can be able to transfer amount from one country to another country and which platform is the best for choosing this transfer. So let's begin with this. If you are new in our channel, don't forget to subscribe it. Just subscribe this button. So today I'm going to show and aware about Paxum. Paxum is a platform as a website where you can send and receive money payment very easily from all over the world. The things is actually you are going to get here in this platform, that is a wire transfer. First thing, send mass wire transfer worldwide. Second is a virtual USA and Euro account, received local SEPA and ACH payment right straight into your account. And third is local bank transfer, which is available in 50 plus countries in all over the 20 plus currencies. Fund any card and send funds to any Visa or MasterCard. So these all such things are available in the Paxum. Paxum is like a internationally transfer platform which is very best for working and transferring the amount from one country to another country. Later I am going to show you for the business clients and for individual ones. First of all, I am going to talk about the business clients. So mass wire transfer to your client worldwide, mass EFT transfer to your client worldwide, send payment to other Paxum user, receive payment from other Paxum user, debited IBAN EUR account for incoming euro payments, dedicated USA ACH account for income USD payment, reduce your payout cost, competitive pricing. It's basic for open business account. But if you are not looking for the business purpose, and if you are thinking that you are a self-owner, or maybe you are a freelancer, or you are working as a self company, so for your purpose, that is for individual ones is best. Here you will see get paid for your work, send payment to other Paxum user, receive payment from the another Paxum user, dedicated IBAN EUR account for incoming euro payment, dedicated USA ACH account for incoming USD payment. Multiple withdrawals method include Paxum prepaid card. So now I'm going to tell you about multiple way to access your fund, that is wire transfer, EFT transfer, P2P transfer, fund any card, Paxum prepaid card. Now I'm going to, are you working with USA and Euro companies? So basically I'm going to tell you one thing. If you are working as a freelancer for the Euro company for the USA, so this is a very best way where you can just receive the payment. If you are your company or individual that works with the USA Euro companies, you probably know how hard it is get paid by them. If you are based overseas, we have a solution. So you can look at here, just ask for employee to send your payment directly to your US or EU account, which is connected to your Paxum payment account. There is no required for your employee to open Paxum account if they do not want to. Mobile for easy access to your money. You can also be able to use transaction history. Access stories are there. It's way to started. Register. First of all, upload your document, start sending and receiving payment. Ready to open on account, and there are two kinds of account is available: open personal account and open business account. Now I am going to tell you one thing. I am going to just give you link to register it. Go in the description if you are interested for registering to into this account, and if you are interested for receiving and sending the money from one country to another country. So go in the description of this video, the link is available for you can be able to join directly from there. So thanks for watching this video, guys. And one thing more, if you want to verify this account, so this is the best thing. You first of all you have to verify it, then you can be able to transfer the amount from one country to another country. Hope you like this video, you have enjoyed a lot of this video, and please join this platform by description in the description given the link below. And thanks for watching us. Subscribe this channel. Bye bye, take care. Hope you like this video. Have a good day.